The L Street, just sitting in the snowbank here. I'm walking with Geraldine. Tons of cans here, 20-cent cans, 5-cent cans, 20-cent can, 20-cent can, 5-cent can, 5-cent can, 20-cent can, 20-cent can. Buried in the snow too, look. 5-cent can, 20-cent can, 20 cents, 5 cents, and 5 cents. Collected at least, oh, another one. At least, oh, another one underneath. Oh, that's a 20 center, right? No, 5 center. I guess it's a bag ripped or something, and cans everywhere, man. Anyways, that's good. Cans for, oh, look, one more on the street here, look. Look. 20 center. Every time I walk to the store or do something like this, I stop and pick up the cans, and then I put them in a pile, and then I bring them to the scrapyard, man, for aluminum. Pretty cool, eh? That's it. Cans for Cash. 514-506-9876. Jody checking out. Have a good day, folks. Got home, and this is what I collect on the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 13 20-cent cans. 13 20-cent cans I found. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Oh, it's no good. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. These are no good. 26, 20, 30. 32, 34, 36, 40, 42 5-cent cans. Oh, another 20 cent there. So that's what I collected just walking up and down the street for about an hour. I walked actually from the hospital, Verdun hospital, and this is what I've collected. Like $28 million a year in the garbage or in the street of bottles and cans. And that's not mentioning cans like this Pellegrino here, oh sorry, San Pellegrino, nor this Arizona iced tea, or this Mike's hard tea, or these other drinks here that don't have a refund assigned to them. Now I don't understand why this is. Why are these companies here? Why are these companies? Oh, here's a Perrier. They're really polluters. Why are those companies? What's this one here? This one is a Monster, another polluter. Why is it that these companies here, don't have to have a refund assigned to their cans? I mean, this is just ridiculous, excuse the expression, but it's just backwards thinking, man. We throw out $28 million in bottles and cans that have a refund assigned to it. Imagine the millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars in cans like this that go into the ground every month here in Quebec. Anyway, just wanted to show you my